Today's price action is not playing nicely with us here when it comes to Bitcoin, but I have found a pattern that is suggesting that we will still see higher prices before a potential breakdown, but we also should keep in mind that we have the minutes coming out of the FOMC meeting tonight, and also again jobless numbers that could impact the price and basically lead to that we go south from the technicals that we see right now here in the market. So definitely keep that in mind. And don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out when I put out one of these important videos. And now let's directly go here into the markets. So here on the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart, what we can see on the Super Guppy indicator is that we're technically still in an uptrend here, but we see here gray strings coming in already. That is normally the first sign that we go into another downtrend. So let me show it to you. So for example, also here we started here to get into gray area, then it became gray, and then it became red all the way here, and then we saw another green area. So also here we can see it, gray area, then we got another bullish wave before we got then a bearish wave. So we have to be really careful here where the price is going. But let me show you what I have seen earlier today. So earlier today I posted on Twitter, you can see it here, on the 12-hourly time frame, a potential play where we are bouncing up and down between or in this rising wedge that we are seeing here. And when we get to the top of it, a potential rejection to the downside, and then finally a push to $29,000. So now on this, I have multiple trading view accounts. On this one, I don't have, unfortunately, a premium account to show you the 12-hour time frame, so I do it on the 4-hourly time frame. So here you can see basically the same thing, and the top of the rising wedge would be around $25,600. That's the high point that you see on my Twitter post, and from there we could see a rejection all the way down to $22,700 here once again, before we see then a massive push here back to the upside, because these levels here, $28,700, $29,000, they're acting as a magnet for the Bitcoin price. So the Bitcoin price will sooner or later definitely go up there, but I don't see this happening in the next coming days. I believe that is a target that we're gonna hit in some point in March. So now when we look here at this rising wedge, what we also can clearly see is that when we came up here to the top here, we also hit the technical resistance of $25,200 and had tested it now multiple times, and that's why we got rejected from that to the downside. So within the 4-hourly time frame here on that rising wedge, we also get a falling wedge. Come on, kind of like here, and that has technically already broken out with that 4-hourly candle that's going on right now. So, but of course, because it's red, it's not looking all too great, right? So, but this can still change because the stochastic RSI is definitely an oversold conditions and should sooner or later pump here to the upside to give us some relief. Because when we go into the 1-hourly chart, there we can also see that we're clearly out of the falling wedge here and should see soon a relief rally to the upside, in the best case back to $25,200 before we see then here starting to see something like this. Oh, we bounce up and down in that rising wedge until the moment that we are actually then breaking down. So that is what I believe is going to happen in the immediate short term for Bitcoin, and from here we could see then the leg to the upside. So also here on this 4-hourly chart, when we are looking here on the Fibonacci retracement levels, also here it makes a lot of sense that Bitcoin comes at least back down to $23,500 before we see a massive push here to the upside. And we have here also a hidden bullish divergence unfolding where the RSI is creating lower lows, but the price is creating higher lows. So that is a hidden bullish divergence that has not played out yet, and that I'm also, of course, I'm absolutely bullish on that we're gonna see that. So can we, of course, still go a little bit lower? Yes, we can. But as long as we are not breaking here this low, this one here at $23,386, this hidden bullish divergence is not invalidated. If we break here this low, it will be invalidated. So, but for now, we are good. The price is still creating higher lows, what we would like to see. And then at some point, we will see fireworks when the price is moving to the upside. Also here, when we look back on our Wyckoff accumulation pattern, we are still on track. So we got here this impulse move to the upside that I was talking about. So now we are potentially in that correction, so which should be more shallow than the previous one, and then we should see another move to the upside. So, and of course we have also here the golden cross, and this golden cross, like I told you guys when I saw it, I said I don't believe that this golden cross will potentially be a fake out. I said the weekly death cross, that might be a potential fake out. This golden cross here is valid. And why is it valid? It's the angle that we are going to the upside, a stiff angle that makes it valid for now. Because when we see a golden cross or signs of an invalidation of a golden cross, we see around here already that the moving average is rolling over to get another death cross, and then we get a death cross and everything goes south. We are not seeing that right now, and that gives me also another indication that there's still a lot of bullishness left in the market here. So I think there might be potential a shakeout tonight when we get these notes from the FOMC meeting. But after that, I think that we have hit then the local bottom in this range, and then we're gonna go up again to potentially $25,000, $26,000. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, do it on BYBIT. There you still get $30,000 absolutely for free with my specific link here, or on Bitget $20,000 also absolutely for free if you want to trade with me together in this volatile market. And I'm posting every now and then free trades in my free Telegram group, so definitely join this group. And I have something special that I'm going to talk later about exclusively on my Telegram group, where I'm looking for 10 active traders, only 10, to do something really special with me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm back in Dubai. I love all of you guys. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.